All right, all right. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Um, I trust and believe that we are doing fine this morning. We thank God once again because of the opportunity to live today. Yes, I don't think there will be another day like today. So let us be thankful this morning that we are alive. Um, we are going to continue with our technical analysis training where we are looking at candlestick chart patterns. Right. If you can hear me, kindly give me a one. If you are able to hear me, kindly give me a one. Is my voice audible? Is my microphone okay? Is my sound okay? Okay. All right. So thank you so much once again. Good morning, crypto ambassadors. This is Coach Mopiwa, joining you from Johannesburg. We have been here since last week when we started our syllabus from the beginning. So this is the second week. All right. So yesterday we were looking at some of the candlestick chart patterns. All right. Yes, some of the candlestick chart patterns. So we are going to proceed from there. Where did we end yesterday? Where did we end yesterday? If you attended yesterday's class, where did we end? Where did we end? If you attended yesterday's class, where did we end our class? So nobody was in the classroom, right? Is that true? Is that true? Okay, all right. I see some answers have started to come. Okay. We ended at Gravestone Doji. We ended at Gravestone Doji. Okay, all right. We learned about dojis. Okay, that's correct. We learned about dojis. Okay, all right. So what did we say about a Gravestone Doji? What is 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 the significance of a Gravestone Doji? What is the significance of the Gravestone Doji? What is the significance? What information does it carry to you as a trader? Henry, that's what you got. Good buried. Okay, all right. All right. So tell me, in which area can you find the Gravestone Doji? In which area can you find the Gravestone Doji? Yes, it signifies selling pressure. Okay. Yes, it signifies market reversal signal to the downside. That is correct. So in which area you are mostly going to find a Gravestone Doji? In which area? I want you to be specific. I want you to be specific. I want you to be specific. In which area? Yes, it's uptrend. Yes. Which area? Which area? Which area? Can you find a Gravestone Doji at support and resistant area? Is that true? A Gravestone Doji. Can you find it along support and resistant? I want you to be specific. Which area? I want to see if you were following. Which area? Which area? Oversold. Henry, are you serious? Oversold. oversold, gravestone, the end of a downtrend. Bernard, are you serious, Bernard? Someone need to borrow me a red pen. Someone need to borrow me a red pen. I needed to mark these ones. These ones, I needed to mark them. Someone with a red pen? I forgot mine. I needed to do some marking here with a red pen. On the bottom, Mubiru. Mubiru, you need a red pen. Let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. Okay. Here we are. All right. We ended here yesterday. I was bringing an emphasis about the gravestone doji. I said a gravestone doji, it is a market reversal signal to the upper side. Okay, I mean to the downside, not upper side, but downside. So when you see something like this, it means the market has been trending upward. So this is what you call the oversold area, right? This area, it is for sellers that comes and rest here at the bottom. Because the sellers, they come from the top. They come downwards like this. Okay? So the area that they normally rest, it is called the oversold area, which can be handled as a support area. Okay? But we are looking at 100% reversal. So this area is the oversold. The top part where the market is being resisted, which we call it resistant levels, all right? This is for buyers. Buyers, they rest here on top because they normally come from the bottom. Buyers, they will enter from the bottom, they go up. When they are tired, they are resting here on top, which is called the overbought area. Okay? The overbought area. This is overbought. And this is oversold. Okay? So who comes and rests along the oversold? Sellers. Who goes and rests along the overbought? Buyers. So when you look at a gravestone doji, it means the market has been trending upward like this, right? So it has reached the overbought area. Okay, so the significance of this long upper shadow, it tells you that this is a selling pressure. But the ones who pushed the price to this level, this is the high of the market. These are buyers who pushed the price to this level. But the one who has pushed the price back down here, it is sellers. All right. So that's why we are saying when you see a candle with a long upper shadow, okay, long upper shadow, this signifies selling pressure. Okay, this signifies selling pressure. When you see something like this, it signifies selling pressure. All right. So this is a gravestone doji. It is a bearish candlestick chart pattern. It is a bearish candlestick chart pattern. It is the opposite of the dragonfly. Okay? It is the opposite of the dragonfly. So the dragonfly, it is this doji upside down. Okay? It is this doji upside down, then it is a dragonfly doji. So this one is a market reversal signal downward. The dragonfly doji upward. So this signifies selling pressure. If you see it on top of Kilimanjaro, when the market has gone high up, you should expect that the market is likely to reverse. Okay, the market is likely to reverse. All right, so this is what we were dealing yesterday. This is what we were talking about yesterday. All right. So allow me to proceed to another type of a candlestick chart pattern. All right. So this is what I was saying in terms of a gravestone doji, if you remember very well. Okay. So let's come here and look at another type of a candlestick chart pattern. So far we have looked at engulfing bars, okay? Engulfing bars, if you remember very well, we did engulfing bars, all right? We have done dojis, okay? We have done dojis, all right? This is what we have done so far. So if you don't find engulfing bars, you might find dojis in the market with their kind. So if you don't find dojis, you don't find engulfing bars, probably you are going to find a morning star. So let's come and look at a morning star. Yes, a morning star. What normally happens when you wake up around around 3 a.m.? Okay, when you wake up around 2 a.m., around 3 a.m., you see a bright morning star in the sky. The sky is blue, all right? You see a bright morning star. What does that signify? When you wake up early in the morning, you see a bright morning star in the sky. What does that signify about the day that is coming? What does that signify? Give me an answer in the chat. What does it signify? Yes, if you happen that you are that person who loves to see or who likes to get fresh air outside, and then you wake up early in the morning, then you look at the sky, then you see a beautiful morning star hanging up there. What does that signify? What does that signify? What does that signify? There are people who does not use nature to tell what is happening. They don't understand nature when he's talking to them. You know? Yes. There are people who does not understand nature. They are not related to nature. All right. So when you see the beautiful morning star, you should know that the day that is coming is going to be a sunshine day. Okay? It is going to be a sunshine day. When you see a beautiful morning star around 3 a.m., around 4 a.m., you should know that the day that is coming, it is going to be a sunshine day, a beautiful day. All right? It is not going to be cold. All right? So in the crypto market also, we do have morning stars that appear. When they appear, it means that there is a celebration in the what? In the market. Okay? So we are looking at morning stars now. This is where we are. So what are these morning stars when they appear? So morning star, first of all, it is a candlestick chart pattern, and it is considered as a bullish candlestick chart pattern. Okay? A morning star, it is a candlestick chart pattern, which is considered as a market reversal signal to the upper side. When we talk about bullish, we are simply saying price is going to go high, price is going to go up. So buyers, they are the ones that are going to push this market to the upper side. So that's why we are saying that the morning star pattern, it is considered as a bullish reversal pattern. All right. So it normally occurs at the bottom of a downtrend. Okay. I'm giving you now how can you identify a morning star. Okay. We are saying this is a market reversal signal to the upper side. It signifies bullish market. So if it signifies bullish market, it means the market should be coming from the downside. That's why I'm saying it normally occurs at the bottom of a downtrend. When the market has been trending this way, it is reaching the resting area for sellers. Sellers have been buying, have been selling and selling and selling. Now they are arriving at this area and say, we are tired, please, can we have a break? All right. So when the market has been trending downward this way, all right. So along the downtrend, okay, that's why I'm saying it normally occurs at the bottom of a downtrend. Now, let us look at the consistency. Yes, what constitutes a morning star? Let us look at the first candle. Okay, so the first candle, it is a bearish candle. This is a red candle when you go to your trading view. All right, this is a red candle. Okay, now when you look at this red candle, you can see that it is full. All right, it is full, it is loaded. What does this signify? The market is trending this way. Okay, the market is trending that way. Now you see this candle here, it is full. Okay, it is a bearish candlestick. This signifies that sellers, they are still in the market. They are in charge of the market. Okay, remember we were talking about the size of the body of the candlestick, if you have been attending from the beginning. So you can see this body of this candle tells you that there is more selling pressure in the market. Okay, there is more selling pressure in the what? In the market. That's why you see this candle, it is a bearish candle. Now, let's come to the second candle now. Can you see the pressure is reducing? Okay, the pressure is what? Is reducing. The next candle, okay, you can see that it is a bearish candle, but sometimes it can also be a bullish candle. Okay, this candle, the small candle in the middle, it can be a bearish candle or it can be a bullish candle. I'm simply saying it can be a red candle or it can be a green candle, the middle one. So what does this signify? This signifies that now, okay, now the sellers are in control, yes. Okay, the sellers are in control, yes, but now they are failing to push the market much lower. Okay, they are failing to push the market much lower. Okay, they are there in the market, they are present, but now they are failing to push this market much lower. That's why you are see the pressure here, it is not much compared to this candle. Please, can you stop writing on the screen? Yes, thank you so much. So this first candle tells you that there are more sellers in the market. Karuben, what are you doing, Karuben? Can you stop, Karuben? Stop writing on the screen. You are disturbing the class. Karuben, please stop. I'm gonna call you to write when I'm ready. But now, please let me continue. Okay. Yes. So this is what I'm explaining in terms of the bearish candlestick, which is the first one. This signifies pressure, which is a selling pressure. Sellers are still in control. But the next candle signifies that yes, sellers are in control, but they are failing to push the price much lower. Okay, so if this was a 4-hour time frame, remember every candlestick represent a trading session. Okay, every candlestick, it represents a trading session. So a trading session can be of 30 minutes, it can be of 5 minutes, it can be of 1 hour, it can be of 4 hours, right? So if this was a 4-hour time frame, this is also a 4-hour time frame. This is also a 4-hour time frame, right? So in the first 4 hours, sellers dominated the market. The next 4 hours, sellers were still in the market, but they could not push the price further down. That's why when it was closing, when this market was ending, sellers, they couldn't push the price further down, as you can see, right? So this is the second candlestick, the middle one. So it can be a bullish, it can be a green candle, or it can be a red candle.
Now, let us look at the third candle. Let us look at the third candle. The third candle, it is a bullish candlestick. This one is full bullish. It is a green candle. Can you see? Can you see where it has opened, where it has opened and where it has ended? It has slightly swallowed this one. When you see the levels, you discover that it has gapped all these candles. So the third candle is a bullish candle, as you can see, okay? So you can see that it has opened up here and it has closed up here. You see that all these candles, they are within, okay? They are inside this candle, this bullish candle. So this signifies that the market is likely to reverse to the upper side. That's why we are saying the morning star, it is a market reversal signal to the upper side. It constitutes three bodies of candles, or it constitutes three candles. The first one is fully bearish. The second one, it can be a green candle or it can be a red candle, but it is a small candle. The third one, it is a full bullish candlestick. The total of these three signifies that it is a morning star type of a chart pattern, right? It is a morning star type of a chart pattern. So you can see here, all right, this is a full body candlestick, which is a bearish candle, all right? So can you see the middle candle there? Can you see the middle candle there? Yes. More like what can you call it? This is a doji or something. All right. So can you see the middle candlestick? It is a small candle. All right. So I said that this candle, it can be a bearish candle or it can be a bullish candle. But this one, you can see that it is a bullish candlestick. It is for buyers. It is a green candle, right? Because it is having the same color like this one. All right. So you can see that after this pattern took place, all right, after this pattern took place, then the market changed direction. It went up right there. So this is a morning star type of a chart pattern. If you have understood this, if you have understood the morning star, give me a 2 in the chat. If you have understood the morning star, give me a 2 in the chat. Give me a 2 in the chat. Give me a 2 in the chat. That is the morning star. It is a market reversal signal to the upper side. It is a market reversal signal to the upper side. It is a market reversal signal to the upper side. Proscovia, why are you giving me 1? Why are you giving me 1, Proscovia? It means you did not understand. I know some, they are saying I don't understand, of which I don't expect everyone to understand. I don't expect everyone to understand. In a class, it happens like that. In a class, it happens like that. You are going to understand the next time. Yes, go and watch the recording. Okay? So, maybe let me just do it one more time. This is what I'm saying. When it comes to the morning star type of a chart pattern, the market is moving from the top. Okay? The market has been on a downtrend like this. When you go to your trading view, you are going to find trends. Okay? Mostly it's 2 trends, the downtrend and the uptrend. Sometimes you're going to find a market that is moving sideways, which is a ranging market, right? But when it comes to trends, it is 2, downtrend and then uptrend. Okay? So the market has been coming down, coming down, coming down. When it is reaching this area, which we call the resting area for sellers, this area is what we call the oversold area. The upper part, which is like a ceiling, when the market comes from the bottom, when it touches that ceiling, it bounces back. It touches that ceiling, it bounces back. So this upper part where mostly when the market touches, it reacts to it. It's called a resistant level, okay? Leader Julius is going to come and teach this when I'm done with the candlestick chart pattern. So he's going to teach in detail about these two areas, resistance and support. And he's going to teach you how to draw them, okay? Which area can you draw these resistant lines, all right? But I want you to understand that when the market is coming from the upper side, coming down here, it is going to reach this area. In most cases, when it touches, you're gonna see that the market reacts. How does it react? It bounces. It bounces back to where it is coming from. Okay? You see, it's gonna touch 3 times, 2 times on this level. So this level is considered to be as a support. All right? So I'm saying the market comes from the top. It reaches this area, which is being called a support level. When it touches it, the market reacts and it bounces. So when it is nearing the support, that's why I'm saying for you to identify the morning star, you should be looking at a market that has been trending downward like this. Okay? The market has been trending downward like this, and it is reaching this area, right? So look when the market is nearing the support level, okay? So you are going to see a certain type of a chart pattern. It's either it can be a morning star, okay? Or you are going to see dragonflies like what we have done before, or either you are going to look to see engulfing bars, okay? You are going to see engulfing bars that are going to be bullish engulfing bars, because these are market reversal signal to the upper side, right? So we are looking at a morning star, which is a market reversal signal to the upper side. So we are saying it constitutes 3 candles. The first candle, it is a red candle. This tells you that sellers are strong in the market. Their pressure is more than buyers. That's why you see this candle is a full-bodied candlestick. It is red. It represents sellers. Okay? But the next candle, you can see that the pressure is not much compared to the previous one. So what does this signify? It signifies that sellers are still in the market, but they are failing to push the price further down. They are tired. They can't push the price further down. As a result, buyers, they come in, they found it as an opportunity. Then they start buying. That's why you see this candle, it is a green candle. It is a bullish candle. So the 3 in total, they signify market reversal signal to the upper side. That's why when you look at this chart here, you can see that this is the bearish candle I was talking about, okay? This is the bearish candle I was talking about, right? Let me bring my cursor here. All right, let me bring. So this is the bearish candle I was talking about. So the middle candle, it is a small candle. That signifies that sellers, they are failing to push this market down. They are tired. So buyers, they are coming in to enter. As a result, you see the market has changed direction. It has gone up, yet it was coming from this direction. So this component, it is called a morning star type of a candlestick chart pattern. That's what I was saying. Is that clear now? Is that clear? Is that clear? Those who were saying they did not understand. Is that clear? Is it clear now? Is it clear now to those who were saying they did not understand? Okay, so that is the morning star. That is the morning star. It signifies market reversal signal to the upper side. Now, if you don't see the market reversing to the upper side, probably you are going to see the market reversing to the downside. Now, if the day was full of sunshine, you have been enjoying the day. It's not all the days that are brighter days, okay? It's not all the days that are brighter days. Are we together? If this day was a bright day to you, you are going to discover that it's not all the days that are going to be sunshine day. All right. In another way, we would say, if the sun has been shining, okay, if the sun has been shining, is it going to shine forever? Is it going to shine forever? No. At the end, darkness needed to come. The evening must what? Must come. Yes. So if the morning has ended with its stars, then you should expect an evening to come. Okay? The evening will also come with its stars. It means darkness. The moment you hear the word evening, it means darkness is coming. When you see morning, it means sunlight is coming. Yes. All right? So if you have been having a very good day, collecting profit, all right, you should understand that another day it is going to come where you might experience floating loss. Okay, so let's go to the opposite of the morning star. What do you think? If something is morning, what do you think should be next? What do you think should be next? If something is morning, what do you think should be next? So this is the opposite version of the morning star. Let me pause here a bit. The opposite version of the morning star, it is the evening star. So if the market went high up like this, can you see where I'm pointing now? The market has been trending up like this, which was a morning day, a morning star. Yeah. So now the market needed to come down, because in crypto we said whatever goes up should come down. Whatever come down should go up. So the market has been trending upward like that. It has reached this area, which is called the resistant area, the overbought area, where buyers, they normally rest. So when you reach this area, okay, you are going to see this type of candlestick developing. What does this signify? Okay, what does this signify? So the evening star pattern, it is considered as a bearish reversal pattern. Okay, the evening star, it is a bearish reversal pattern. It usually occurs at the top, like what I'm saying here. The market is coming from this side, it is going this side, going up. So the evening star normally occurs at the top of an uptrend. This is the top. Okay, yes. So the pattern also, it consists of 3 candles, as you can see. Body candle number 1, body candle number 2, body candle number 3. It is just the flip of the morning star. You just flip this, you're gonna have a morning star. When you flip it, you have the evening star. So you can see, if the market is coming from this direction, who is in control? What does this candle signify? It is a bullish candlestick. It means buyers, they are the ones that are strong here. Their pressure is more compared to sellers. Okay? The first candle, which is a big candle and it is a bullish candle, it signifies that buyers, they are still in control in this particular trade session. But the next session that comes, you can see that buyers are struggling to push this price further. Okay? Buyers are struggling to push the price further. Now they are fighting with sellers. As a result, when this trading session was ending, you can see that there was a struggle. The market did not go further up. If this pressure continued in this pressure here or in this trade session, it means this market could be up somewhere here. But unfortunately, buyers are tired. They could not win this session. They failed to win. Can you see the candle is small? So I said that this middle candle, it can be either a red candle or it can be a green candle. Okay, but it is small. What does that tell you? The pressure. Buyers, they are failing to push the market further up. As a result, you can see that in the next hours, buyers are no longer going to be in control of this market. Sellers, they are taking it down. Indeed, the market has been trending upward. Let buyers rest. I told you that when you buy from the bottom and the market rises this way, obviously, if you were a buyer, you're going to start selling. You have reached your take profit. Your 3% is okay. Your 5% is okay. Your 10% is okay. Do you think you're going to continue to push the market up? No. You're going to start selling. When you sell, then the price decreases. That's why you are able to see that in most cases, when the market pumps up like this, it's not going to continue to pump up unless there are other market conditions that are making that particular coin to pump that way. But in most cases, if the market goes high up, you should expect the market to come down. Nevertheless, it will do so. There is no market that continues to pump. Okay? If it is going to continue to pump, but it needed to retrace, I think I give a definition of retracement and reversal. Okay? So if the market will continue to go up, at least it should retrace. Okay? When it does like that, it should come this way a bit, then it continues to go up. It does this way, it continues to go up. So it needed to retrace. This is what we call retracement. All right? But in most cases, you will see that the market that has gone up, it needed to come down. So I'm saying here, buyers are in control. But here, they can't push the price further up. Here, they have lost it. Now the market has changed direction. Where is it going? Okay, where is it going? It is going here. This is where the sellers are taking the market. This is where sellers are taking the what? The market. Evening star. Can you see now? The market has changed direction. It is going downward. It has been going up. People collecting profit with the morning star. Yes, they entered at the bottom here with the morning star. Now they are collecting profit up to this level. When they reach here, they said, no, we have collected enough. Let's start selling. Then there is a selling pressure. That's what normally happens in the market. So when you understand this language, you are able to know which point of entry can I use to enter the market? What about exiting? Where should I leave the market? Sometimes we don't know when to enter. Sometimes we don't know when to exit. Just because we are not familiar with these signals that the market gives us. When we see a market that has gone up and it has come down, it's gone up, come down, we don't see what type of candles are developing around this area. What kind of candles are developing around this area? That's what we are studying. When you see at these areas, you are going to see chart patterns. That gives you a signal this market will go up. When you check here, you're going to see chart patterns that tells you that, amen, the market might likely go down. So please, take your profit and leave. So we are talking about candlestick chart pattern, language of the market. So if you don't see an engulfing bar, you might see a doji. If you don't see a doji, you are going to see morning stars, evening stars. Is that okay? Are we still friends? Are we still friends on the morning star and the evening star? Are we still friends on the morning star and the evening star? Are we still friends? Are we still friends? Are we still friends? I said I'm going to be slow so that you get everything. I said I'm going to be slow. I give you 1 or 2 chart patterns, then we call it a day. Then we call it a day, right? Because we are not in a hurry, we are not in a rush. We want you guys to understand. Circumstances where morning stars and evening star will show up in the trend and then the market retraces. No. If the market is going to continue to go upward after retracement, the signals that you are going to see, probably they are going to be dojis, because dojis signifies equality in the market. Okay, dojis signifies indecision in the market. So if the market has gone up and then it retraces and it want to continue to go up, yes, you are going to see, mostly you're gonna see dojis. All right, you are going to see dojis, but evening stars and morning stars, finding them in the midst of the uptrend, no. No, is that okay, Malicela? Is it Malicela? Yes. I think on Friday we are going to go to TradingView and we're gonna look at these chart patterns. All right, on Friday we're gonna look at these chart patterns in TradingView, so that you are able to see what I'm talking about here. Sometimes maybe it may not make a sense. All right, but on Friday we're gonna go to TradingView. We are going to locate these chart patterns so that you understand what do I mean. A doji signifies this, engulfing bar signifies this, morning star, evening star signifies this. Where mostly can we find these guys? So you just need to know that they are 2. If it is a doji, there should be 2 types of dojis. One that signifies market going up, one that signifies market going down. If it is engulfing bar, there should be 2, because we do have 2 pressures in the market, buyers and sellers. So one should represent one. Okay, so you need to check the market. Remember, we said when you are analyzing the market, analyze it in a longer time frame. So for you to see these chart patterns, check them in longer time frames, like 4 hours, like 1 day. That's when you are going to see these chart patterns. Okay, if you are asking about the time, check them in longer time frame. When the market has trended downward or the market has trended upward, okay, check at the upper, at the top of the uptrend, at the down of the downtrend, I mean at the bottom of the downtrend. Check these signals. You are going to find them. Yes, our lessons are recorded. Our lessons are recorded. So you can go and watch a recording. Our lessons are recorded. All right, so today, allow me to end here. We are going to proceed tomorrow, where we may round up everything, and then Friday, we do a little bit of practical, going to TradingView, looking at these candlestick chart patterns. All right, I don't see there is a question. All right, so I'm not sure if the host is having some announcements to make. Let me check. Okay, he's here. All right, Coach Julius, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Any
Thank you so
announcements
much
this
for
morning?
thank you so much for today. I just have nothing to say, but to wish the Ugandans a happy Independence Day. That's all from me.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much.
We really appreciate that. Happy independence to our fellow brothers and sisters in Uganda. Yes. Like Leader Julius, what he has written up, we should not only be independent with the freedom, yet our pockets are empty. So let us work on our financial independence. Yes. So happy independence, Ugandans. We are celebrating with you on this particular day. We wish you a beautiful, yes, and a wonderful day as you celebrate your day. Let us meet in the coming Zoom that is coming ahead of us. All right. So let me end here for today, and I'm gonna ask the host to end the meeting. Thank you so much.